Hey Beauty Hooked followers, this is Hira Khan yet again, and we're here at my salon. I'm going to be showing you guys how we get the Wonder Glow facial done. So guys, we're going to be going in now. So everything mentioned here. This is the feedback form for our customers. This is our reception area. We have our Pro Fiber products right here. There's this brick wall. We have all our deals. So guys, here's the spa room. These are the beds we have. There's another bed right there behind the curtains. So once we start the facial, we're going to be turning off the lights. And this is my facialist for today, Eamon, and these are all the products that she's going to be using on me. So guys, she's just setting up the bed for me. We have clean sheets, as you can see, and brand new towels. You can see they're always brand new and wrapped right there. Polisher done on myself, so I'm going to be skipping it. We start with our famous lavender flavored cleanser, which is right here. As you can see, it's also lavender in color. So guys, just to give you guys a quick product overview, we start with the polisher. It depends whether you want to get it done or not. I do not get the. Then we move on to the exfoliant or the scrub, then the massage cream, the mask, and lastly there's this shiner which adds the final glow. So guys, I've changed into my gown and we're going to be starting with the cleansing first. I'm just going to lay down right there on the bed. So guys, Eamon is making me wear the headband. So all my hair are, protected by the cream. And here I'm going to be wearing this headband which is also clean and new. And they don't fall on my face. So guys, Eamon is removing all that I have on my face with a wipe first. Before starting with the cleansing, she's making sure that I have nothing on my face. So the cleanser does not, mix with any product that I might have applied before. So guys, she's cleaned my face and you can see all the products that I had on are off now. So she's gonna start it on my face before the cleanser, and now she's starting with the lavender flavored cleanser as her first. So guys, the thing about this lavender flavored cleanser is that not only does this smell really soothing and good, but it makes your skin feel instantly refreshed. It's really good for the skin. It's really really soothing and good, but it makes your skin feel instantly refreshed. It's really good for the skin. It's really hydrating and nourishing. That was just rose water. She just sprayed. And just so you know, lavender is actually considered one of the best healing scents. It gives you a very soothing and a very relaxing effect. The scent itself is really pleasing. Guys, this cleanser is really great for the summers because it also has this cooling effect to it. So your skin really feels as though it feels cool. So for the summers, this is ideally a good cleanser as well. Guys, she's taking the cleanser off now with fresh new sponges. We use all sterilized appliances and clean sponges for every client, so you don't have to worry about hygiene because we're really strict about the hygiene of our appliances. So guys, next up, it's this exfoliant that she's using. The good thing about our exfoliant is that it's not super harsh like most exfoliants. The micro beads are really mild, so they do not tend to damage your skin. It's very gentle, yet it exfoliates your skin really well. It has this really good deep cleansing effect on your skin. So we don't need to. So guys, the time span for each cream is, for the cleanser, it's usually 8 to 10 minutes depending on the skin. Then this exfoliant is 5 to 6 minutes. It cannot be more than 5 to 6 minutes because that just, then it starts to damage your skin. So guys, next up I'm going to be taking some really mild amount of steam. I don't really go for steam because my skin doesn't require it. This is just an optional step. If you want to take steam, you can just ask the facialist for it. Otherwise, just the exfoliant alone does as well. So guys, now I'm going to be starting on with the high frequency. Just so you know, the high frequency is not a part of the Wonder Glow facial, but I'm still going to be, since we do offer that, I'm going to be showing you guys how it's done and why it's really done. So as you can see, Eamon is holding the high frequency machine and she's targeting all those problem areas actually. For example, the dark eye bags under your eyes, all the pigmentation, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, any dark spots, sagging skin, under eye dark circles. So any uneven skin tone that you may have on your face, your arms, your back, your neck, this is done to reduce the appearance of those certain marks. So this also, she's using upward motions while she's doing this because that helps you make your skin firm, and it prevents the early sagging, or even it can also be used as an anti-aging treatment. Amount of reduction in my dark circles appearance. So guys, now she's using the massage cream and she's going to be giving me a really wonderful relaxing face, neck and back massage that comes with this facial. This is also a skin firming massage, as the movements are as such that they prevent your skin from sagging and aging early. So guys, I just got done with the most relaxing massage ever, and now she's applying the mask on me. The pumps can be, the vacuum pumps or blackheads, they can be damaging too. But let's say if you're someone who really wants to get them done, use the blackhead removing pump as well as the pin on you. I do not recommend the pin as such because it damages the skin. Even so guys, about the pin and the pump for the blackheads, yes, if you want, you can just always ask your facialist to use them on you, and they'll be. Guys, she is now removing the mask and my skin feels so good. It just feels. Guys, now she's applying the shiner, which is going to give this really cool radiance and glow to my face. So guys, that was our Wonder Glow facial. I gave you an entire breakdown of all the products we use, all the steps that are included. My skin actually feels really great. You can see this shiner is still on, and I'm gonna let it stay on for at least 2 hours because that's how we're supposed to let it stay on. Other than that, if you ask me how my skin feels, honestly, it has never felt better before. So guys, other than that, I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of the mani pedis that we have in offer. So as you can see, this is our nail section right here, and we have the OPI mani pedi for you to offer along with the OPI nail colors. We have the BCI mani pedi. We also have the Sally Hansen nail colors in stock, and then there is our basic mani pedi. This is our mani pedi station, guys. The basic mani pedi we do actually also includes our famous cling film technique. Then we have some L'Oreal hair treatments, some really amazing treatments such as the Mythic Oil treatment. There is the Liz control treatment for frizzy hair. There's the Pro Fiber treatment for hair repair. Pro Fiber is basically like an antibiotic for your hair. Then we have the Lipidium treatment, which is for dry damaged hair, and then Vitamino for color treated hair. Then we also have our argan hair treatment. This is a treatment for dry damaged hair, especially if your ends are really So guys, she started with the treatment, and first she's applying the Mythic oil generously into my hair. Guys, now she's massaging my hair and my scalp. She's making sure that she gives a soothing massage, especially something that is good for the scalp.